Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to showcase a product demo, share testimonials, or simply make your site more engaging, embedding video content is a fantastic way to connect with your visitors. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear with several choices. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage all your sites. Now you'll see a list displaying all the websites you have on your Wix account. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific website where you want to add your video. Once you've found the right site, you'll need to open it for editing. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Edit Design button. Click on this button to proceed. You'll be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor, which is the workspace where all the magic happens for customizing your site's appearance and content. Once you're in the Wix Harmony Editor, shift your focus to the left side menu. Here you'll notice a button labeled Plus Add. Click on it to reveal a variety of elements and features you can incorporate into your website. From the options that appear, look for the video element and click on it. This is the tool that will allow you to seamlessly integrate video content into your pages. After clicking on the video element, you'll be presented with various sources from which you can add videos to your Wix website. These sources include YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, giving you plenty of flexibility depending on where your content is hosted. For this tutorial, we'll be adding a YouTube video, as it's one of the most commonly used platforms for video hosting. Click on the YouTube video icon or simply drag it directly onto your canvas. This action places the video element onto your website page, creating a placeholder that you'll customize in just a moment. Now, to add the specific video you want displayed, double-click on this video element. A URL field will appear, prompting you to enter the link to your chosen video. Simply paste the YouTube URL you wish to use into this field. Make sure the link is correct and complete. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Wix website, making your content more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.